So I think that's a great question for Kate. So why Pinterest for email?
Well, number one is because it's a really, I think, a powerful traffic driver. It moves people off the
Yeah.
platform, very similar to Google, right?
Mhm.
Whereas Instagram, they keep everybody in their ecosystem. And so it's hard to get them to take action off of it. Whereas
Mhm.
Pinterest, they know they have to go to your site to get what they want. And so you have a captive audience literally coming to your front door, knocking and saying, hey, can I come in? Whereas the other ones, maybe they're just playing in the yard, right? To use
Mhm.
that example. So I think that's why I like Pinterest and I like Google and any other platform that brings people to me to then offer them something that's going to be super helpful. So then we can continue the relationship. They can come over again and knock on my door. Like I think that's the way you have to think about it. And that's why I think Pinterest is the greatest platform to do that with.